Welcome to the MagBio SFD-10HT step-by-step protocol. Before you start the protocol, and to ensure desired results, note that you need to bring the SFD-10HT to room temperature for at least 30 minutes before use. Input DNA concentration must be in the range of 0.5 to 150 nanograms per microliter to attain high recovery efficiency. If the DNA concentration is above 150 nanograms per microliter, dilute the sample before performing the experiment. Then, use 1.5 microliter low-bind microcentrifuge tubes or a 96-well PCR plate and use wide-bore pipette tips. Now, let's get started. Shake the SFD-10HT thoroughly to fully resuspend the magnetic beads. Then, use the reaction table above as your reference for sample to SFD-10HT volume needed per reaction. Add 50 microliters of DNA sample. Vortex SFD-10HT beads to homogenize. Add 20 microliters of SFD-10HT beads. Pipette mix 10-15 times using wide-bore pipette tips. Let the mix sit for 1 hour at room temperature. Place the sample on the magnetic separation device for 3 minutes or until the solution clears. With the sample tube still on the magnet, discard the supernatant by pipetting. Do not disturb the attracted beads while aspirating the supernatant. Next, with the sample tube on the magnet, add 200 microliters of 80% ethanol. Now incubate for 30 seconds. With the tube still on the magnet, remove and discard the supernatant by pipetting. Repeat the 80% ethanol wash for a total of 2 80% ethanol washes. With the tube still on the magnet, remove and discard the supernatant by pipetting. Check to make sure that there is no remaining 80% ethanol in the sample tube. If droplets are present, do the following. First, spin the sample tube down to bring the droplets down. Second, place the sample on the magnetic separation device. And third, use a fine pipette tip to remove the droplets without touching the beads. Then, dry the beads by incubating for 2 minutes at room temperature on the magnetic separation device. Remove the sample tube from the magnetic separation device. Add 50 microliters of elution buffer. Pipette up and down 5 times to mix using wide-bore pipette tips. Then, perform warm elution by heating the sample at 37 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes to elute the DNA from the beads. Briefly spin down the sample. Place the sample tube on a magnetic separation device. Then, wait 3 minutes or until the magnetic beads clear from the solution. Then, transfer the eluate, cleared supernatant, to a new tube for storage or subsequent applications. And that's how you run a SFD-10HT protocol.